In Creo 12, the Engineering Notebook functionality is now directly installed and licensed from Creo, with no separate install or license of PTC Mascad needed. Introduced in an earlier version of Creo, the Engineering Notebook allows users to utilize the power of engineering calculations, powered by PTC Mascad, within Creo by embedding Engineering Notebook worksheets within Creo parts or assemblies. In the Creo Installer Customize section, you can now check the option box to install the Engineering Notebook. This installs the application alongside other Creo install files. A new feature option has been included in the license to run of Creo, not as a separate license, for Creo Design Advanced, Creo Design Advanced Professional, Creo Design Engineering, and Creo Design Engineering Professional. After install, for those Creo packages, once you open Creo, you will have immediate access to the functionality of the Engineering Notebook. With the Engineering Notebook now included directly within Creo, you can now more easily document the design intent for parts or assemblies, perform analysis-driven design by calculating parameters in the Engineering Notebook to push to Creo, or perform verification and validation of Creo parameters by further analyzing them in the Engineering Notebook's extensive array of math tools.